Hello everyone. Welcome back to Creation DIY. If you have an old paint bucket, never throw it away. In this video I will show you how to turn an old bucket into a more useful tool. Prepare a bucket and make a line 5 centimeters wide from the edge of the bucket. From which country are you watching this video? Write in the comments to let me know. Nice to know that we can meet each other from all over the world. Next, prepare your electric angle grinder along with the proper cutting disc. Remember, never use a saw blade on an angle grinder. Always use the cutting disc specifically designed for this tool. Pay close attention to the equipment and how you use it, because workplace safety should always come first. Cut the bucket along the guideline you've marked using an electric angle grinder. However, you don't always need to rely on a grinder. If necessary, you can cut it using other tools, such as a hand saw or any basic cutting tools you have available. Make the most of simple tools to keep the job easier and avoid unnecessary expenses. Then smooth out the cut marks. This will make it look neater and safer. Look, the edges of the bucket are neat and not sharp. After you have finished tidying up the edges of the bucket, you can wash it first to remove any remaining dirt or paint that is still left in the bucket. After the bucket has been washed and dried, the next step is to mark the exact center of the bucket and make a hole in that part. To make a hole you don't have to use a drill, you can use a heated nail or use a hot soldering iron tip. Then prepare 2 used plastic bottles. Take the bottle cap, mark the exact center and make a hole in that part. Then split the 2 ends of the plastic bottle. Make a slit in the bottle like a door. Make a hole in one bottle of a fairly large size. And make a small hole in one more bottle. You can use a hot soldering iron tip to make the hole, or a simple tool using a nail that you heat. Then for the next process, take the bucket that you have drilled holes in and the bottle cap that has been drilled in. Use the nut to attach the bottle cap to the bucket. For the second bucket, add a rubber ring on the nut. This rubber ring will make this tool work more optimally. The final step is to install the bottle. After all the processes are complete, this is the result of the tool. This tool will be very useful for those of you who have livestock at home. Chickens or ducks. Instead of buying, you can make your own pet food place from used items that are usually just thrown away. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, join us. We have interesting ideas that we will continue to share. If you think this idea is useful, please press the like sign. Thank you and see you in the next creative idea.